Question 2. Infer, deter, defend, over, tor, ant. So we need to take a word from the first group of words and a word from the second group of words and put those two words together to make a new word that is spelt correctly. And the word from the first group of words must come first. So let's go through it logically, starting at the beginning. So infer, infer and over, infer over. This is not a word, so moving on, infer and tor, so infer tor. This is not a word either, so infer and ant, inferant. This is not a word, so now we should move on to the second word of the first group of words, so deter, deter and over, deter over. This is not a word, so deter and tor, deter tor. This is not a word, so moving on, deter and ant, deter ant. You may have thought that this was the answer. You may have been thinking of the word deterrent, that is something that deters people from doing something, but this is not how it is spelt. It is spelt with 2 R's and then E-N-T at the end and not A-N-T. So this cannot be the correct answer because we are not allowed to change the spelling at all. So now we need to move on to the third word of the first group of words. So defend and over, defend over. This is not a word, so moving on, defend and tor, defend tor. This is not a word, so defend and ant, defend ant. So this is a word. This says defendant, and a defendant is somebody who is accused in a court of law of having done something wrong. So we have found our correct answer. So make sure that you mark this answer clearly on the answer sheet. So you need a horizontal line next to the word defend and a horizontal line next to the word ant.